Let's fix why you can't share your location on your iPhone. Now, first, just open up the Messages app on your iPhone. You should be able to share your location just by tapping on Location here, and then it will pull up your exact location that you can choose to share a pin of it or share it indefinitely. However, if this doesn't work for you, there are a couple steps that we can take to get that fixed. Let's, instead of that, hop into your settings. The first place we'll check to see if there's an issue is screen time. Keep in mind, screen time could be set and it could have a passcode set to it. So if you have a parent or guardian that set a passcode for your screen time, you will need to know that screen time passcode to be able to make these changes. But on here, you can see location services could be set to don't allow changes, and location services could be turned off. Now, what we're going to do instead is switch this to allow changes, but I would also recommend completely turning off content and privacy restrictions just to make sure that isn't an issue with sharing your location. Next, let's check to make sure it is turned on your phone. To do that, we need to go back and go to your privacy and security settings. And the first thing at the very top is location services. If this is turned off, none of the apps and your phone won't be able to use your location. So make sure to turn this on. After you've turned that on, let's go into Share My Location. Make sure Find My iPhone is turned on, Find My Network and Last Location is turned on. But also on here, Share My Location. Again, if any of these are turned off, just turn them on. However, that's not the only thing. We need to also make sure that you're giving your access to Apple to track your location when you're sharing it. So to do that, we need to go to the bottom here, and you'll be able to see at the bottom, you can see two things. One is Find My iPhone. Again, if that is turned off, just turn it on. And then also, in addition to that, Share My Location. If that is turned off, make sure to turn it on. Now, we're not quite done yet because we need to go through here and make sure Messages can also use your location while using the app. Turn on all of these and check to see if you can share your location. If that still doesn't work for you, let's do a force restart on your iPhone. This almost always fixes it. So to do that, we're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. So I'll walk you through those. Volume up, volume down, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. So keep pressing even though it says slide to power off, and keep pressing even when the screen goes completely black. We're only going to let go when we see that Apple logo appear, just like that, and then it will force restart your iPhone, definitely fixing any bugs or glitches with sharing your location.